Cute Cabin. This super cute 2-bedroom cabin is located in downtown Onalaska. Newer property offers beautifully modern finishes in a cozy 2-bedroom floor plan. This unit has a built-in microwave and also includes a full-sized range/stove and refrigerator. Relax in the evenings on the covered front porch. Convenient location, only a block from US Highway 190, means you're a short distance from shopping and dining. Rent includes lawn service and water/sewer/trash service.